Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea at all what's in here. This was sent by Keith. Actually, I have kind of an idea of what's in here. We're going to find out together. If it's something I can link, it will absolutely be linked right down below for your convenience. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Keith also sent something else, and I'm vaguely remembering a conversation that we had. Yes, okay, so there is a note. Good. Wonderful. Nicely packaged. Oh, hold on. I gotta hide that tag there. Yeah. Yes. Hello, Metal Complex. I made extra effort for you not to miss my note this time. LOL. I'm looking forward to seeing your review and unboxing of this little knife. I picked this up directly from Spyderco. MSRP is $600. Retail seems to be about $420. I was able to grab it through Spyderco's excellent military/veterans OP Focus program for 50% off MSRP. Okay, that's pretty cool. Best regards, Keith. Awesome. Yeah, so I think probably a lot of you guys know what this is. I have never handled this, and I'm excited to experience it. This is the new Spyderco Stovepipe. This is based off the Bill the Butcher. I think I remember reading that. Wow, it's actually... My brain is really like, do I like this? Do I not like this? So right off the bat, this is made very well. This is an expensive Spyderco for sure. We have a super thick, at least in contrast with the rest of it, real thick frame lock. There does not appear to be a lock bar insert, which is not a big deal. Most, usually you can get this right now, I'm pretty sure. Or wait, maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure if you can or not. I'm going to link it down in the description. You do have that Spyderco fidget factor for sure. This is running on, it looks like phosphor bronze. Hang on a second. Let's take a look here. Looks like it. We'll remind everybody that this is not a review. This is not a review. This is me handling it for the very first time. Very easily flickable with the thumb. Very easy to reverse flick for sure. I'm pretty sure this is a collab with, yeah, Kingdom Armory. Or wait, why did I say Kingdom Armory? I'm thinking of another, well, RYDBOM. I'm pretty sure that this is based on the Bill the Butcher design, which is that's the collab, right? Which is cool. It's a cool looking knife. I mean, it's, as I've said many times, I keep feeling like the knife world is past the whole, the cleaver or butcher look, right? Is more, it's like we used to, it seemed like a lot of people were trying to convince themselves that there was like a specific level of utility that you were gaining with this stuff, and then people kind of accepted it as more of a novelty blade shape and moved on. Whether or not that's actually true, I have no idea. I'm mainly speaking of like the trend, but it's still here. We're still seeing stuff like this, and this, if I remember correctly, was wildly popular. Let's do some close-ups. I know you guys like that. So we'll get a look at the pivot here and some other elements of this knife. A full comprehensive review will come down the road once I've had an opportunity to, experience this knife. There we go. Nice look at the edge. Taichung, Taiwan. Very expensive, but remember, it's not cheap to manufacture things over there. So we have absolutely seen price tags like this from Spyderco before, though it does admittedly feel a bit high. CPM 20 CV. Nice cutout here with the liner lock. I'll tell you guys, the scales feel pretty blocky. But then again, I think, you know, that's just part of the look. These are contoured, so that's nice. It feels all right. It's pretty easy to engage and disengage, and the detent feels appropriate. I want, like right off the bat, I just want it to be a bit bigger. That's my gut reaction here. What's the overall length? Length of this guy coming in at under 7 inches. 6.8. Yeah, I need like an 8-inch version of this. Blade length under 3, 2.9. Yeah. Cutting edge, it's not even 2 3/4, it's like 2.6, something like that. 2.6 inches. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? It feels solid, absolutely. It's interesting that it's running on phosphor bronze, at least as far as I can tell. I just want a bit of a bigger knife. There's no. Yeah, it feels like a knife that just should be bigger. It's kind of a little tank, honestly. Everything about it is very. But here's the thing. This is the. Did I say that this is the Stovepipe? I should have said that. I think it's probably on the tag. Yeah. Stovepipe right there. It's a cool knife, right? You got kind of a tip. You know, there's still technically a tip. From here down, this appears to be a hollow ground blade. Yeah. And it gets reasonably thin down here, right? But you're still pushing quite a wedge through material. It's definitely cool, and you can definitely get right up behind the edge, right, if you're going to do some detail work. But, you know, if you're going to be breaking down thick cardboard, you can definitely get right up behind the blade there, thanks to this area in here. Yeah, it's neat. I think there's probably more novelty here than utility, but, I mean, you know, hey, speaking as somebody who will absolutely pay for novelty elements that speak to me, I can understand why people, you know, like this. Yeah, I do like the pivot. Okay. Interesting knife. It's gonna take a bit for me to, you know, put together a full review. Well, you guys won't see it for a bit. Yeah, this is an interesting one. I'm glad that I got an opportunity to look at it. So thank you, Keith, for sending this in. That's going to be it for today. Expect to see a full comprehensive review on this guy 3 to 4 weeks from now, something like that. I might bump it up, make it a little bit sooner so you guys can see it, because this is a new knife. A lot of people are interested in it. That's going to be pretty much it for today, though. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.